Guys, what's up? This is a quick video, hopefully 2 to 3 minutes tops, on how to delete the background on a video image. Now the only way I know how to do that is in Photoshop. Unfortunately, there's no built-in Mac or PC software that I know of on either computer. So step one is you choose the video you want to edit the background in and you drag it into Photoshop. Once that's done, Photoshop will put it into the view, and I like to extend the view of Photoshop, and then I like to go down to the bottom and extend the frame rate so that you can see each individual frame, because this video I'm using is me juggling. So if you watch real quick, you can see it's me juggling, okay? Which is a horrible video to choose for something like this, because every time the ball moves you have to delete the background. So there's a couple different ways to delete the background, but remember you have to do it frame by frame by frame. Okay, you can either use the use the eraser and create the pixels at a high number. So here it's at 350, and you can see it takes a big swath out, but it's time consuming because you have to be very specific. You can use the quick selection tool, which is also a valuable tool, but sometimes you can select things that you don't want selected. Or you can use the magnetic lasso tool, but I don't like that one either because sometimes it selects things you don't want selected. So once you choose the way that you'd like to delete each frame independently, you delete them like this. Okay, so to delete the background in each individual frame, I use the eraser tool on various sizes, and I use the easy selection tool on 50 or 100 pixels. Now, once you've gone through and selected all the frames deleted that you'd like to get rid of the background on, all you have to do to save it is go to File, Export, click Render Video, choose the new name of the video, and hit Render. And then it will save your brand new video with no background. To learn how to add the background, please watch my next video. If you like this one, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a great day.